Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad. Near the National Highway in district Malir, Karachi, Sindh, the historical heritage of Malir is known as Chaukhandi Graveyard, which has 500 years old ancient style graves with beautiful carvings, which are believed to be the graves of the Jokhis and Baloch communities. The carvings done on these graves were very expensive work in ancient times. Apart from the graves of Sardar, Vaderas and rich people, common people's graves are not found in this style. They believe that the world is their temporary home and the graves is their permanent home. That's why they used to spend a lot of money on carvings on their graves. The carvings done on these graves are similar to the objects used in ancient times, such as couches, flowers, doors, ornaments,